Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are staying safe by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Welcome back to our social class. In previous class, we learnt about the geographical features of Tamil Nadu and different landscapes of Tamil Nadu like mountains, plateaus, plains, and coast. And today we are going to learn about waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. Waterfalls. It is an area where the river water flows down from a mountain. Tamil Nadu has several waterfalls. Some of them are Augenakkal Waterfall, Kutralam Falls, Suruli Waterfalls, and Vattaparai Falls. First, let's learn about Augenakkal Falls. It is a stunning waterfall located in Dharmapuri district on the river Kaveri. It is called as the Niagara of India. It attracts many tourists all round the year. It is one of the best breathtaking waterfalls in India. Coracles, locally known as Parisal, is one of the major attractions here. Next, let's move on to Kutralam Falls. Kutralam Falls is located in Tirunelveli district. It is in the Western Ghats on the river Chittar. There are totally 9 falls, of which Peraruvi, Aindaruvi, and Puliaruvi are the prominent ones. Next, let's move on to Suruli Waterfalls. Suruli Falls is a beautiful waterfall located in Theni district of Tamil Nadu. Here, the water falls from a series of rock steps. It is also called as Megamalai Falls. Suruli Waterfalls is also called as Megamalai Falls. Here, the water flows like a symphony that brings delight to every traveler. The special feature of the fall is that it flows all round the year. Next, let's move on to Vattaparai Falls. Vattaparai Falls is situated on Palavar River in Kiriparai Reserve Forest area. This falls is surrounded by forest on all sides. Next, let's have a look at the climate of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has a tropical climate and there is a very less difference between summer and winter. The temperature during summer can rise up to 40 degrees. Due to its location, Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather almost throughout the year with mild winter. Tamil Nadu is dependent on monsoon rains and often faces droughts if monsoon fails. Tamil Nadu has a clear periods of rainfall. That is southwest monsoon from June to September and northeast monsoon from October to December. Next, let's move on to the forest areas of Tamil Nadu. There are several forests across Tamil Nadu. Most of these forests are found in the areas near the Ghats. The forests are grouped as evergreen forest, deciduous forest, and mangrove forest. Let's look about them in detail. The word evergreen means always green. The trees in these evergreen forests have leaves that are always green. In Tamil Nadu, we find evergreen forests in the Western Ghats of Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari, Nilgiris, and Coimbatore. Next, let's move on to deciduous forest. The word deciduous means that the leaves of the trees shed every year and grow back. These forests are usually found near the evergreen forest. They generally grow in the lower region of the hills. Next, let's move on to swamp, that is mangrove forest. The word swamp means areas that are low where water gets collected easily. These forests are usually found near the beaches and riverbeds. This Pichavaram mangrove forest is located near Chidambaram in Tamil Nadu. That's it, students. Hope you all understood. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.